Hello guys, Dera here again. So today I'm here to correct this fetish belief people have. Now listen. I just sneezed and someone said, should I tell you the reason why you're sneezing? I said, okay, go ahead. And the person said, the reason you sneeze is because someone is thinking about you. Hello? How can someone be thinking about me be the reason I sneezed? Now listen to the correct info. Please, do not say this outside. So now what is sneezing? Sneezing is the expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose or the mouth. It is usually caused by foreign particles irritating the nasal mucosa, not when somebody is thinking about you, but caused by particles irritating the nasal mucosa. It can also be due to allergy to dust, to dander, to mold, dandruff, and the rest of them. It also has infectious causes. You can sneeze when you have common cold, when you have respiratory tract infection, when you have sinusitis, when you have influenza, and the rest of them. Please remove the mindset of someone missing you or thinking about you be the reason of your sneezing. Please.
I don't know. It is very shameful for you to accept that. God have mercy upon us.